Hi there, myself Jason. In this video, I'm going to show how to create 3D card hover animation by using HTML and CSS. So let's begin. First, we have to select some images that we are going to use it. I already downloaded some images that I am going to use it. You can use whatever image you like it, or you can also use these images. I will give the link in description. First, I will link the CSS file to the HTML. Let's change the title to 3D card for now. In VS Code, by typing dot and given name of class, it will automatically generate div class. In card div, we are going to need another div. Let's name a wrapper. In wrapper, take a img tag and link the first image, and also give a class name cover image. After that, take another img tag in the class card, link the second image, and let's give class name title. And last, we need one more image. Let's get and give the class name pop image. Our HTML code is ready. Now go to CSS file. First, we need some root. Card height 360 pixels and card width. Calculate variable card height divided by 1.5. Now give a universal selector to box sizing border box. Then use the body tag, give the width 100 VW, height 100 VH. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, margin 0, background black. Then use the card class. Width var, card width, height var, card height. Position relative, display flex, justify content center, align items flex end, padding 0.36 pixels, perspective 2500 pixels, margin 0.50 pixels. Then use the wrapper class. Transition, all 0.5 seconds. Position, absolute width, 100% Z index, -1. Cover image class. Width 100%, height 100%, object fit cover. Then use the card class. Use hover with wrapper class. Transform perspective, 900 pixels. Translate Y, 5%. Rotate X, 35 degrees. Translate set 0. Box shadow 2 pixels, 35 pixels, 32 pixels. -8 pixels. RGBA 0.75. WebKit box shadow, 2 pixels, 35 pixels, 32 pixels. -8 pixels. RGBA 0.75. Moz box shadow, I will copy from the WebKit box shadow, then filter blur 1 pixel. Now wrapper before and wrapper after. Opacity 0, width 100%, height 80 pixels. Transition all 0.5 seconds. Position absolute, left 0. Then wrapper before. Top 0, height 100%. Background image, linear gradient to top. Transparent 46%. Now give the color. Then wrapper after. Bottom 0, opacity 1. Background image, linear gradient to bottom. Transparent 46%. Card hover, wrapper before, wrapper after, opacity 1. Then card hover, wrapper after, height 120 pixels. Then take the title class. Width 100%, transition 0.5 seconds. Then take the card hover title class. Transform, translate 3D, 0%, -50%, 100 pixels. Filter, drop shadow, 0.010 pixels red. Then take the pop image class, width 100%, opacity 0, transition, all 0.5 seconds. Position, absolute, Z index, -1. And last card hover pop image class opacity. 1, transform, Translate 3D 0%, negative 30%, 100 pixels. Filter, drop shadow 0015 pixels white. I think something is not right. Let me check. In Card Hover Wrapper class, it will be box shadow, not box sizing. Sorry, I forgot to record. I think I have found that problem. After the calc, we can't use any space, so that was my mistake. That's it, our 3D card is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment.